In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. Whether you're polishing up a newsletter or crafting a campaign that's visually appealing, understanding how to adjust your text indentation is crucial. So let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. It's the gateway to all the intuitive tools you'll need for this task. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is navigating to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll see an option called All Campaigns. Click on that to access a list of your current campaigns. Now you have a choice to make. You can either select an existing campaign that you want to edit, or start fresh by creating a new one. If you're planning to make changes to an existing project, just click on the campaign name to open it. Once your campaign is open, keep an eye out for the Edit Design option. This will bring you to the level where you can interact with the visuals of your campaign. Within the design editor, you'll find the facility to add new content sections, like text blocks, to your campaign. If you already have a text block that you want to adjust, feel free to select that for editing. Next, to make more specific changes, look for the Code button. Sometimes it might be labeled a little differently, but it's your golden ticket to access the code editor, which is where the magic happens. Open it up and you'll be able to type directly into the HTML. Here in the code editor, locate the paragraph where you want to create an indent. Inside the paragraph tag, you'll input a simple style attribute, your indented text. This code snippet sets a left margin of 50 pixels, effectively creating an indentation. Of course, 50 px isn't set in stone. Feel free to adjust that pixel measurement to suit your aesthetic needs. Simply change the number to increase or decrease the indentation to achieve the perfect look you're going for. Once you've made these adjustments, it's smart to preview your email. This gives you a sneak peek at how the indentation will appear in the recipient's inbox. Take this opportunity to make any tweaks if things aren't looking quite right. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the code editor. This ensures that your hard work and stylish new indent won't disappear into the ether. Once saved, you can close the text block, knowing your campaign text boasts a tidy and professional indentation. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've learned how to elegantly indent text within Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.